Kayo sa kayo, nagkakaon nun, may. Yung sa backstage, bagay nakaon ako siya. Lo! Grabe, wala ka gani kung kakaon ba yan? Tiyak ako na. Sukuan yun. Yan ang gilot daw.
Grabe yung eating stand, parang may paper ko.
Ngaon ta guys, ngaon.
Bless us, O Lord, this I give which we're about to receive in never teach us our God.
Itadakimasu!
Yung fries, ito kulit. Ayaw mo?
Nagkuhan si Ate Bani dito sa kong TikTok ko. Bilisan mo na rain.
Well, liar. Ate Bani, I'm coming.
Ate Vanessa in the live.
Oo.
What? Don't lie to me ba?
Oo.
Ate,
Top gifter.
Pag sure ba?
sama ko, Hana. Touch my body.
Thank you daw dahil pinaseryoso daw kita.
Ako alam niyo lang guys, anong ginawa niya para maseryoso ako.
Wala.
Happy birthday.
Oh, grabe, ang daming corgay. Corgay?
Corgi.
What if makaon ka?
Sige, good.
Happy na kayo mag-alas dos.
Ang grab-grab ako.
Si Grab, uy.
Hindi pa may yung schedule ako. Wala naman.
Ano sa kabayot?
Ano sa nag-go? Uy.
Gadok, be?
Kadako! Kidding, you can have. I have fun pala chicken.
Kadako!
Show you off.
Eh.
Tonight I wanna show you off.
Walang gana.
Eh.
Show you up.
Huwag ka na kumantabi.
Tonight I wanna show you up. Ulawa. Ulawa ato ganina. Uy, slide ko. May kaduha pa dyan.
Kailangan bagay
Giatay.
sa'yo.
Ay. Bastos ang ugali mo. Shout out po sa inyo.
Hindi kulit, di manangad. Ay,
Manangad.
Di madagad.
Manangad.
Di madagad.
Managad.
Ano man mo yung mga fake bisaya?
Managad. Pingi daw.
Ang gandang tingnan.
Open mouth.
Ayun nga, tayo tatlo yun ah.
Ang alin.
May napupuntahan.
Yeah. Oo nga. At bakit sila ang cute naman? Oh.
Parang may gusto siya sa'yo. Uy, gusto mo rin ba to?
Uy.
Uy. Ano?
Ala, I have to fix my hair pala.
Layo niya. Marang nag-wig.
So,
Ayaw ba?
Ayaw pag like that ba kayo? Uy, Carty.
ayaw po.
What if magkatawa tapos mag-serious? 1, 2, 3.
Laugh. Yes!
Napa-G, fireworks!
Yeah!
Uy, paka-away, wala akong makeup.
Hawa!
Guys, watch our Kuano noon with Quanti Mela.
Sige na, ulit.
Ano ba naman?
Laugh!
1, 2, 1, 2, 3. Taro nga pagkatawa.
3, 2, 1, laugh! Stop! Laugh! 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 Stop! Oy! Oy! The drink! Gosh! Goshong!
Uy, makita ng, sorry, hotel.
Kaya magkatawa ka, tapos idiretso ni mo og ano, og exercise breathing.
Exercise breathing. Exercise breathing.
My favorite profile picture.
What time is it?
Iro.
What time is it?
2.
Huh?
Love my dog. I
I
miss
can't be
my...
like no more.
Ano daw? She said something. Even.
Hindi, uy. I can't be late no more. Okay? Baka may mag-ano dyan, mag-edit ka na.
Proud si Papa sa'yo. Proud.
Tama na, want to pee.
Oh, sige, maano ka pa dyan. Iyaks!
Si Ronald.
Yak! Ako ma-iced tea!
Gross.
Ayos naging chat Ronald, may kaya makita ni. Charis.
Sige, I'm still gonna drink it.
That's his name.
Papa ko si Ronald, giatay.
Oh, that's your dad pala.
Oh, akala ko kapatid mo yung Ronald.
Yeah.
Ang akong manghod, Ronald Alexander. Akong Papa Ronald lang.
Awe.
Is he a junior?
Walay junior.
Ronald Alexander.
Senior lang.
Ha 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 ha.
Hindi yun joke! Kabalo.
How? How does that make sense then?
Yung lolo, yung dad niya.
Kay junior, iyang papa, unya siya senior.
Oh, gani. Saan kayo?
Oh, na dili ka senior! I know what you do when you... Hey! Where my filet go? Give it back!
It's running!
Gusto tayong gingan kanina?
It's right here.
Happy birthday daw kita.
Ay, thank you. Wala, birthday naman din ako.
Wala pa.
Hala, hapit na po ng birthday.
Feeler ni mo. Ako sa...
Hapit na gani, kasabot ko, hapit. Ay mo malay ko. Buong muli ko.
Happy birthday! Happy birthday!
Unsay mo regalo sa kuana? Unsa mo regalo si Mukay?
Diba, ang bait niya no? Ganun siya magbigay ng gift. Itatanong niya. Hala!
Gosh. Basto
Masarap
sa
na eh.
anay.
Asan fries ko? Saan fries ko ba? Sus, kamo kabunggong gumbos to karumba. Ay, grabe the gulping. Grabe the gulping ASMR.
Wow! Wow!
Ah,
Ako pag yung pagkaon!
ako na.
Ako.
Saka!
Ako.
Stop it! I don't want it anymore.
Sabay-sabay mi.
I don't like pop. I don't like popping pimples.
Kanta, i-blend na itong baby shark. I-blend na itong baby shark. 1, 2, 3.
Ano?
Baby shark na baby shark. 1, 2, 3. Sige na ba? 1, 2, 3. Baby.
Dali ba? Kasi
Ikaw, uy. Ano na ba? 1, 2, 3.
Happy birthday kay NJP na. Ano?
Sige na ba? 1, 2, 3.
Birthday!
Sige na ba?
Happy... Baby, go!
1, 2, 3, go.
Baby.
Oh my gosh! Di tayo mag-e-end.
Sige na ba?
Babe.
Pagod na.
Baby.
1, 2, 3. Baby. Usa!
Sige, go.
1, 2, 3.
Baby shark do 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 do. Baby shark do 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 do. Baby shark do 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 do. Baby shark.
Mommy shark do 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 do.
Beda.
Remember in Quibins? Started whistling.
Wala ka dun. Ba't ka tumatawa? Wala ka dun. Iyak! Hala, lura ni mo. Uy, iyak.
Hula-hulaan na naman mong tubit pa kay... Lamig kay kung ganda. Nalibirin, pinagagaling.
Beda-beda kasi.
Alam ko, nilang kinuwala ko ba? Nayapag no on the stage.
Binilet. Beda.
Grenade na lang.
Ah, grenade. Come on.
Gatong.
Bullet straight through my brain.
Dila ta mag-start. 1, 2, 3, go.
No. If my body was on fire.
Sige, go. If my body wasn't...
Continue.
If my body was on fire. Oh, you watch me burn down in flame.
Okay. You said you love me, you said you love me, you're a liar, cause you never, ever, ever did, baby.
No. But darling, I still catch a grenade for you.
Oh my god.
Sige.
I should stop falling.
Hallelujah na lang kay ka na.
Kana.
Go, ikaw na.
Go.
Shit, what time is it?
How we
Shit
practice it.
zo.
Go.
I heard there was a I heard there was a secret chord that David played and pleased the Lord.
But you don't really care for music, do ya?
Well, it goes like this: the fourth, the fifth,
The minor fall and the major lift, the bass.
I'm hiding back.
Yeah, oh my god. Happy New Year, guys.
Happy New Year.
Ulit. Serious, please.
Oh, sorry, oh.
Sorry, manager.
Sorry po.
Dali, pakilit na ko.
1, 2, 3, go.
I heard there was a secret chord that David played and pleased the Lord.
But you don't. What's so na, oy?
Sinabihan kasi tayo mag-serious. Ang hirap tuloy.
Dali.
Sige, go.
1, 2.
Sorry po, kuya.
I heard there was a secret chord that David played and pleased the
Just continue.
Lord. But you...
Okay, imagine. Wish you 101 right now. Okay, 1, 2, 3, go. Sure. Okay, sige.
Go. Dali.
There you go, 1, 2, 3, go.
Ay! Sus! Sa mukha!
Okay, G. 1, 2, 3.
Magtarong daw!
Manglilibre ang tatawa.
Okay, sige.
Sige, hawan. Manglibre ang...
Wait sa.
G.
Ayaw sa. Kuwan mo magkatawa.
Uy, wala ko dali. Walang time na. Sige na, 1, 2, 3, go.
Sige na, gani o din na.
Okay, 1, 2, 3, go.
I heard there was a secret chord that David played and pleased the Lord. Ayaw ko na!
Ano mo na si Ringoy?
Ikaw di ay! Ako na di ay! Hala, nagawas akong ihi!
Damag ko. Sige man, last.
Last na, serious.
Napikon na si Kai. Hindi din siya napipikon na.
Hindi, mabait to.
I heard...
Go.
Kalaban si Sao.
I heard there was a secret chord that David played and pleased the Lord.
Guys!
Uy, kalawad sa imong finger, uy, na may aslum-aslum.
Ikaw ang tubig sa lubot.
Yuck! Ish!
Charot, sige na, last na.
So kasamo!
Sukito, sige pa, sige atay. Uy! Ay.
Okay. Ito na po. Legit, I love you.
I heard there was a secret chord that David played and pleased the Lord.
But you don't really care.
My gosh!
Sa mukha ni Raynoy.
Sige, mag-start tayo sa'yo, but you don't really care.
Okay,
Para diretso na.
go.
Tatawa. Buddy. Nagtigaw po.
Kuya. Binibigyan ko pa ng 2 puntos. Kuya, please give 2 points.
Okay. 1, 2, tayo dalawa.
Ah, sige, kita lang da.
1, 2, 3, go.
Go, sige, ka muna to ah.
Oh my God! Happy New Year in the world.
Sige na, last na. Sige na, para maka-end live na ko.
Go. Buddy.
1, 2, 3, go. But you... Daliin na ba?
Go, kamu sa do.
Dili.
No, let's see if
Dili lagi na.
Dili lagi. We have to be kompleto.
3, 2, 1, go.
Buddy, you...
Sige na ba?
Oh my God.
Alawin mo ka, Jago! Classroom.
Sige na. Kasi
Disney
para
World.
maka-end live na to. 1, 2, 3... Yan sa wala siya. Ay, pag-istorya ba? 1, 2, 3, go.
But you don't... Hala ka! Sige ba? Yeah, I'm trying here.
I'm trying here.
Go.
1, 2, 3, go. But you don't...
Ikaw sa
Oh my God.
See, there's no... Come on, bro.
Bro, she's trying to... Oh my God.
Sige na ba? Oh my gosh.
Go, 3, 2, 1, go.
But you don't really care for music, do ya?
Well, it goes like this, the 4th, the 5th,
The minor fall in the major lift. The baffled king composing. Ala, nagkatawa ko kayo na feel ako yung mga ginawa.
time.
Composing.
What time is it?
Oh my God. Wait lang po.
Bye-bye, guys! Bye-bye na. Oras na. Bye! See you there, mga kapamilyas!